Winter officially arrived in Paris on Thursday, November 21st, as the first snowflakes of the season fell on the French capital in the early morning. The National Weather Agency has set an orange weather warning for the Ile-de-France region of Greater Paris for snow and ice, which will be in effect until Friday. Météo France predicted a heavy snowstorm, starting in the morning and moving across the region before moving eastwards in the evening. The Paris Regional Police, led by Laurent Nuñez, have announced an increased alert throughout the Ile-de-France region between 11 o'clock and 2000 local time. Several videos circulating on social media can be seen showing seconds of a snowstorm hitting a number of areas in Paris since last Thursday.
Yeah. Maybe not. I think the installation is too expensive anyway. It's better to spend those money for something.
One to 3 centimeters of snow is expected to fall in a number of cities in the country over the next 2 days. The weather agency said the blizzard was caused by the impending Hurricane Caetano. Overall, 54 departments were on orange alert. Apart from that, the authorities also appealed to the entire community to remain vigilant and careful in carrying out outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that are hitting their area over the next few days.
Spend those money for something else.
Because if they will need to check with the producer.
I hope I get dug out. It's a pretty bad snowstorm. It was